Did you just see your crush coming your way? Quick, what to do? Okay, deep breaths first. Talking to your crush can be a very nerve-wracking experience. The thought of saying something wrong is always in the back of your head, but it doesn't have to be. Some things that you say can actually increase their attraction towards you. If you're not sure what those things are, here are 5 things to say to your crush. 1. Crack a joke.
Knock knock. Who's there? Wendy. Wendy who? Wendy you. Think we can go on a date?
A bit too cheesy? Well, the good news is even simple jokes can do the trick. A most trusted icebreaker, so to speak. A 2015 research article published in Evolutionary Psychology found that humor points to having a sociable and agreeable personality. The study also found that when a pair laughed together, they were more interested in each other. But why is that? Humor eases the situation. It makes you seem more open and likable. This trick is also backed by science. Laughing releases endorphins, which make you feel good about yourself and others. On top of that, your crush could follow up with their own joke, and if you laugh at it, you get bonus points. People tend to like others who laugh at their jokes. Even if it doesn't work, it does show others your fun-loving and brave side. So don't be nervous to drop a joke here or there. Number 2, remember to say thank you. Saying thank you is not only a sign of good manners, it's also a simple way to tell someone, I appreciate you. As Antonia Damasio, a professor of psychology and neurology put it, gratitude rewards generosity and maintains the cycle of healthy social behavior. Showing gratitude makes people feel respected and happy, and it lets them know you recognize their efforts. If you're hanging out with your crush, tell them, thank you for such a good time. Or if they're a good friend who never fails to listen, tell them, thank you for always being there for me. This simple but powerful phrase could create a long-lasting bond between you two. 3, share a little secret. It is no secret that everyone can have a secret. Some are small, like that embarrassing thing you did in middle school, and some are bigger, like the drama that goes on in the family. Yeah, you could be someone who likes to keep them to yourself, and that's okay. Sometimes sharing some of your little secrets with your crush could make them like you a bit more. Sharing a secret with someone creates a bond between you, and it takes your relationship to the next level, making it more special and intimate. This is something that's been known to researchers for decades. Research that goes back as far as 1994 has shown that people who use more intimate disclosure tend to create a meaningful bond with their special someone. Long story short, telling your crush a little secret about yourself might just be a good way to get the ball rolling. Number 4, give them compliments. They say compliments are verbal sunshine. What do you think? You look lovely today. You have an awesome style. That hairdo looks great on you. Everyone likes to receive such compliments from time to time. It's perfectly normal and it boosts your self-esteem. Compliments can make your crush feel like they're really special to you. You seem like someone who cares about them. But the words you choose for your compliments matter too. A 2017 research study published in Frontiers in Psychology found that women tend to like men who compliment using more metaphorical language, which shows their creativity. It's also worth noting to compliment things that they don't hear all that often. For example, compliment their artistic skills or a good book choice. They'll surely be glad someone noticed, and it could be a great conversation starter. And number 5, ask them questions. To ask or not to ask? Asking simple everyday questions to begin with is a way of showing them that you're interested. Ask them about their hobbies or their bucket list or their favorite music choice, pretty much anything. This could make your crush like you. Yeah, for reals. The 2017 Harvard study found a connection between asking questions and being liked. Talking about them, asking them about their life could be a good strategy to increase your chances. So just ask away, let them do the talking, and see how they smile more every time they see you. In addition, the golden rule is to just relax, take it easy, and be honest and genuine while talking to them. They'll surely feel the positive vibes. And don't forget to let us know how it went. Are you ready to try these out? Are there any tips we missed? Feel free to leave a comment with your experience, feedback, or suggestions. If you find this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and share it with others too. Don't forget to subscribe to Psych2Go and hit the notification bell for more new videos. Thanks for watching.